In this example we have a few shapes that need to be translated. So I'll move this up a little bit so we can get a better view here. Hope that's better for you. And all we need to do is follow the translation here and shift every point and thus the figure in that direction. So we'll start with this one, I guess. 3 units to the right and 2 units up. So I just pick points that are on the triangle and this, or the shape. In this case, it's nice to use the vertices. So G is going to go 3 right, 1, 2, 3, and up 2. This isn't G, but it's in the same corresponding location. So we use what's called prime notation. So we put G prime. If you moved it again, then it would be G double prime. That would be the next point. T is going to move the same, 1, 2, 3 to the right, and up 2. So that'll be T prime, a little apostrophe there. And B will do the same, right 3 and up 2. So that'll be B prime. Then all you need to do is connect the dots. And by the way, with a translation, you won't be changing the shape of the object. So it's important that you make sure that you've maintained the size and shape of that object. And it looks like we did here. You can just count off like between G and B is 4 units. 4 units here. Between G and T is 2, and so on. With the one on the right hand side, we want to go 1 left and 4 up. So let's do Y, 1 left and 4 up. That'll be Y prime, or the new Y. G is the same thing, 1 left and then 4 up. So that'll be G prime. M will do the same, 1 left and 4 up. And we can see that when we connect these, it's going to be the exact same shape that we had before, and it should be. When we utilize any kind of rigid motion like this, and this one happens to be a translation, but any kind of rigid motion, the shapes that you produce should be the same. So we say that they're congruent. The side length should be the same, their area should be the same, all that stuff. Alright, we got one more here. Well, actually a few more. So we'll knock this one out here together. So the shift is going to be 2 right and 3 up. So we'll go 2 right and 3 up. That'll be the new M. 2 right and 3 up, that'll be the new X. And then we'll go, let's see, 2 and 3, so that'll be the new J. And then 2 and 3 here, that'll be the new E. And you can see that the shape we're forming is identical to this one. And we'll just use a ruler here, connect the dots. And if you're having trouble connecting the dots with a ruler, I can't really help you. This is the best part of it right here. Once you've got all your points down, it's just connecting them and you should get that same shape there. Alright, we have another one here to do. This one says E, but probably should be D. Anywho, if we look at this one, it's kind of long, and I think the right hand side of this is going to be off your screen just a little bit, so I'll move it. A quadrilateral with these vertices is translated to these new coordinates, 3 units up and 4 units to the left. I think you can see that there. You might not be able to see this end part, but maybe barely. And then it says what are the new coordinates of that new quadrilateral. So let's just plot these on the graph here and see what we can do with this. H is 2, 1, so 2, 1 is right here. And then J is 0, negative 2. So that's down here. I'm going to wait to put these labels on here. I like to keep the inside of the quadrilateral here clean. Usually you find them on the letters on the outside of it. Negative 5 and 3 would be here. And then 0, 3 would be right there. So that last one was L. And I think K is over there. And then 0, negative 2, that's going to be J. And then, let's see, H then should be this one right here. Okay. So this is the original shape. Now, whether or not you draw the quadrilateral here is up to you. I like to draw it just so I can tell if I've done it correctly. And keep in mind that you want to connect the correct points here. Alrighty. There you go. And this last one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take each of these points and go 3 up and 4 left. So we'll go 3 up and, goodness gracious, 3 left. So that should be the new K over there. Hope you can see that. It's off to the side a little bit. And then L will be the same, so it'll be 3 up and 4 left here. And we'll draw H, same thing, 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go up 3. So there's this one. Notice this distance is the same here, and that's good. So that'll be H prime. And then we'll do this last one here. So we'll go 4 left, 3 up, and that'll be J prime. Okay, so here's our new figure. It should be identical in size and shape to the other one, I hope. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, so we want to list those new coordinates. So H prime is right here at -2, 4. We've got J prime, K prime to do, and L prime. So J prime is here, it's -4, 1. And then K prime would be this one all the way on the left hand side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be left 9, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then L prime would be left 4 and up 6.